The former Solicitor General Soli Sorabji speaks to Times Now on the Supreme Court notice to the government.
Situation has been obviously mishandled. First, they give him right drawl treatment, him meaning Mama Ramdev, by 3 cabinet ministers receiving him at the airport. And thereafter, in the dark hours of the night, police swoop down, detain him, and send him off to wherever he is. You give the stamp. They want to know how do you ever crack down? For what reason? They want to know, naturally, the Supreme Court is concerned. It's a clear violation of a personal liberty of a person. There should be some strong justification for it. Especially in view of the fact that only 24 hours before he was treated right rawly.
It is Ariman Sundaram, senior lawyer, speaking exclusively to Times Now on the Supreme Court notice to the government as far as a Saturday night's crackdown at the Ramleela grounds is concerned.
Whatever it is, it boils down basically to a right to freedom of expression. So when people are protesting against something, it's all traced to your right of freedom of expression, which is a constitutional right. Of course, such a constitutional right has restrictions which are attached to it. It cannot affect public order. It cannot incite violence. There are various other reasons why it can be restrained. So I presume that the defense of the government in such an action would really be to say that they were justified in taking the action because it was creating some kind of law and order problem, or it was creating other issues which are not permissible while expressing your thoughts or ideas. So I suppose that would have to be the stand of the government to show that this assembly was unlawful in any way or was creating a public disorder of the nature they were forced to intervene. This question of suo motu cognizance is when something is of a large enough magnitude. The courts, and especially the superior courts in India, have the power to take suo motu action in such matters. And this is not the first time it's been done, and I dare say it will not be the last. So I think the Supreme Court, having taken suo motu cognizance, indicates that the matter has such large public ramifications that the court felt it was an important enough issue to see whether rights or legalities have in any way been violated.